Stairs are no obstacle for this cleaning robot. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where you can get my newsletter for free. Migo Robotics Ascender is the world's first stair-climbing robotic vacuum cleaner and floor mop. And you're going to absolutely love this. How does a 3.86-inch tall robot work? Well, when it reaches the top or bottom of a set of stairs, it automatically knows the situation that's going on, and to ascend, it raises its main body relative to the two outrigger wheel units on either side. Then it slides forward, positioning itself flat on the tread of the next step. Finally, it swings one wheel unit up, followed by the other, seamlessly joining the body for a smooth climb. As for cleaning, after mapping your home, the Ascender follows an efficient route, hitting every single room. HD camera, LiDAR, and time-of-flight sensors help the Ascender avoid obstacles. Carpet or hard floors, no problem. The Ascender knows the difference. It's got 9,700 pascals of suction and 17 newtons of mopping pressure. I don't have any idea what that means, but I'm sure that means it's really good. It tackles dirt like a champ is all I know. And currently the Ascender is a Kickstarter campaign and has already soared past $2 million in pledges. More cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Get it for free by opening a browser, type in cyberguy.com and click the little red button.